A mouth is to talk. Friendly talk. Important talk. A mouth is to eat, for fun, for refueling the body. A mouth is to sing little songs, big songs. A mouth is to laugh, to smile, to kiss. When you think how important the mouth is, every minute of every day, you realize why proper care is so important. Home care and professional care. Regular professional care. Your dentist is an essential member of your family health team. He can frequently spot trouble before it starts. He can prevent or correct dental problems that might affect your general health. One way he does this is by guiding young people toward good dental practices. You know, the health habits your children learn as youngsters will probably stick with them all through their lives. So teach them early that dental health is vital to the way they look, how clearly they speak, how much they enjoy their food, and most important, how well they feel. Teach them to achieve good dental health by conscientious home and professional care. Teach them that healthy teeth mean a happier life.